Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install n8n locally. First, go to the official Node.js website. Once you're there, click on Windows Installer to download the file. Click Save to start the download process. After the download is complete, click on the download file from the top right corner of your browser to go to the download section. Next, click Next to begin the installation process. Read and accept the license agreement, then click Next. Then, click Next again to confirm the default installation path. Now, click Install to start installing Node.js on your system. Once the installation finishes, click Finish to complete the setup. Now, open the search menu on your computer and type cmd. Click on Command Prompt to open it. In the Command Prompt window, type npm install n8n-g and press Enter. After the installation process is complete, you'll see the confirmation that n8n has been installed. To run n8n, type n8n in the Command Prompt and press Enter. When prompted, click Allow to grant public and private network access to the app. Now, press O to open n8n in your browser. Finally, set up your owner account by following the instructions on the screen. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.